We're strongest when we work together. ISSA is advocating for you by actively lobbying governments on the biggest challenges facing the cleaning industry and your business. We need your help to win key legislative and regulatory victories in Washington, D.C. and all 50 states. Support the cleaning industry and make your voice heard by contributing to the ISSA Advocacy Fund at issa.com/advocacy fund.
Hello, I'm John Noter, Director of Government Affairs for ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association, and this is your update on the top 3 legislative and regulatory issues impacting the cleaning industry right now and how you can get engaged. Topic 1, while the results of the midterm elections may not be fully known for another month or so, you can sign up for a free ISSA webinar about what the 2022 elections will mean for the cleaning industry. The webinar will take place on Wednesday, December 7th, and registration is now open on ISSA.com. Some of the issues that the webinar will touch on is the election results themselves at both the federal and state level, what are likely to be the priority legislative priorities and regulatory issues moving forward into next year, how the ISSA Government Affairs Department intends to impact these issues on behalf of the industry. And we'll also give you the opportunity to have some of your most pressing questions asked as part of the live webinar. You won't want to miss this webinar. Sign up today. Topic 2, EPA seeks information to support indoor air quality. The EPA is now currently seeking comment to inform the efforts by the agency to support widespread adoption of actions that lead to improvement of indoor air quality in the nation's buildings, with a particular emphasis on schools and commercial buildings. They hope to have informed information so that they can help reduce disease transmission indoors and improve public health. The comment period does close December 5th, so get those comments into the EPA, or you can send them to ISSA and we will have those included in ISSA's formal comments to EPA. Topic 3, join ISSA and our Hygiea network in helping to end period poverty. We just launched this campaign at the trade show and over the last couple of weeks with the understanding and thought that menstrual care solutions should be as available in away from home facilities, available as soap, toilet paper, and paper towels. If you agree, please join the movement and help us to end period poverty and sign up at issa.com/EPP. This was your Cleaning is Essential update on the top 3 legislative and regulatory issues impacting the cleaning industry right now. You can sign up for ISSA's free legislative and regulatory e-newsletter by going to issa.com/takeaction.